Hi, Tread Bike Shop here with how to fix a flat tutorial. If you've caught a flat, you want to check your tire pressure. Once you know which tire has the flat, you want to disengage your brakes. We'll have a video up shortly on how to go about disengaging all types of brakes. Having a saddlebag helps with carrying tools, wallets, and keys. Such tools as Allen key sets, tire levers, patch kit, and even a spare tube. You want to shift your gears to your heaviest so that you drop the chain. So lift the saddle, pedal it forward, and make sure that the chain drops. There's many positions that you can set the bike in to repair this flat. We like to flip the bike completely upside down, leaving the wheels upright. So now you release the wheels. We'll also have another video expressing how to release quick releases or removing axle nuts. There's only two versions. Once you got the wheel off, make sure that you're on the non-drive side. So flip the wheel around. You're going to grab your tire levers and place them on one spoke, and then 5 spokes down, you want to place it on the same side. Using 3 tire levers makes it a snap to remove a tire. Once you got that tire off, you're going to use a single tire lever and press through, removing only the tire from a single side of the rim. Once you got that tire completely off, start pulling on the tube. Remember, you want to be cautious about that valve. You don't want to rip your valve completely off. You would definitely need a new tube. Valve heads rip easily. Proceed with caution. You want to use your hand pump and inflate the tube, just to give it some shape. You want to use the most sensitive skin to hear/feel for the leak. Once you know where the leak is, you want to make sure you keep that spot held, pinched, or marked. You want to deflate the tube, and now you want to grab your patch kit. Once you got your patch kit out, you want to grab the sandpaper and scrape off around the area of the leak. You want to wipe it down, grab your patch kit, press the patch kit down thoroughly, making sure that you place the patch in the center over the leak. Now you want to grab your hand pump and give it some shape before you insert it back in your rim. But first, you want to check the inside of the tire really well. You're running your hand through the inside of the tire. If you're wearing gloves, this is the best way to do it. If you do not have gloves, do this gently or proceed with caution because you can slice your hand open. Fold the tire to one side, press the valve head through, and start tucking the tube inside the tire. Make sure you have the valve head in correctly, and you want to start at the valve head as you start tucking the tire in. Start at one side of the rim and work your way completely around, making sure that that tire folds. you want to push with your thumb as you pull back on the tire with your fingers so that the tire snaps into place. Once the tire is completely in, you want to make sure that it is sitting right. So you want to go around the rim once more and wiggle the tire back and forth so that it sits in right. We're halfway done. All we want to do now is set the rim on the smallest cog between the two chains. When this is all said and done, you want to tighten down that quick release. Inflate the tire, match the pressure to the front or the rear tire, whichever tire still is inflated. Flip the bike around. Grab all your tools. Re-engage your brakes. You should be well on your way to hit the road again.